somebody woke me up after 4 o'clock and said, call Stefan, and say, Stefan, come in. Me call Stefan and he answer me, say, yes, mommy. I say, come in.
Mother of slain Calabar High student speaks out on her son's death. Hello and thanks for joining us for Primetime News and a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, a call for the police to revamp their anti-crime strategy. While the Custos of Clarendon thinks the PATH program should be limited to 2 children per household. And in the business day, we look at the wealth creation from the best performing stocks in 2016. There's also a ray of hope, sports commentary and weather in this holiday edition of Primetime News. But before the break, the feedback question. In what ways can the police improve their anti-crime strategy? You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at televisionjam. Stay with us. The Primetime News package returns after this break.